Hey guys, it's Tia from Work at Home Maiden, and I'm back with another video today. We're talking about how to get the most out of the Work at Home Maiden server. I have done this video like 10 times right now. And hopefully this will be the last time. I've been having technical issues, but I will make it work. Okay, so I'm going to do this fast. Everyone should start off in the Welcome to Members tab. I generally welcome each and every one of you with one of these little cute little guy things. I'm not quite sure what you call them. Alright, so after you get here, please make sure to read the rules. Please react to the rules. And it's only 11, so just read them and make sure you know them. If you do not follow them, I will have to ban you, and I do not want to have to do that. After you do that, and by the way, this is for people who kind of get stuck or overwhelmed and not quite sure what to do. So I'm going to try and make it pretty straightforward so that, you know, when you get here, it's just easy to get what you want from the server, which I assume is a job or to at least make some money online. Alright, so after you read the rules, come over to the Just Chillin' tab. Please introduce yourself. Excuse me, I have hiccups. Introduce yourself. If you have questions here, ask them. I'm in the server pretty much every day answering questions and posting helpful links and jobs and stuff. Alright, so after you introduce yourself, and we're just going to try to make this straightforward, come down to the Work at Home job category. The Work at Home job category. If it's easier for you, close all of those other categories down and just look at the Work at Home job category. Most of you will spend your time here looking for a job. The best places to go, if you're kind of like not sure what you want, is the Always Hiring tab. When you come here, click on the pinned thing and open that. That is my Always Hiring Google Doc. All of these have been vetted. All of these have been looked at to make sure that they're legit. There's everything here from phone jobs to non-phone jobs to freelance stuff, and Work at Home job boards here as well. Surveys, you just keep going down, you'll find more stuff. Alright, come back over here. We're going to go down to the trusted Work at Home jobs subcategory. Scroll up. These are all Work at Home job boards, places where you can find information on working at home. Some continuing education classes, some of them are free, some of them cost a little bit of money. I recommend you spend some time looking at these websites. Scroll all the way up. It's not too far. Rat Race to Billion is the first one. I love that website. It is like one of the oldest and most legit work at home job places to find work at home jobs. I recommend that you spend some time looking at most of these, all of these, and if you do not find what you're looking for here, I would definitely be surprised. But yeah. We're going to click on the Work at Home job queen. If I haven't posted a job here, or you keep running into dead links or whatever on the server, you know, just come over and look at somebody else's website. And she posted she just updated hers, yesterday. And she updates hers like pretty frequently, so if you cannot find what you're looking for in these other subcategories, definitely come here, spend some time here, and find what you're looking for there. So we got that. Always Hiring, Trusted Work at Home resources. Those are the main two if you'll just need straight up direction. Those two. I know there's a lot of other different categories here, and they are useful, but always hiring and trusted work at home jobs resources are the main two that will get you where you want to go. I'm not going to open these other ones because I want this to be straightforward and quick, okay? But you can just spend some time looking at these other tabs, like the hired tab. That's where people who have been hired can talk about their job. And where is it? The pay rates one, we talk about pay rates in there for different jobs. But yeah, scrolling down, if you're just looking for a side hustle, you can find that information here. Extra cash, this is where you might find surveys and stuff. For this particular tab, I want you guys to focus on two more than any other two: class action lawsuits and unclaimed money. Unclaimed money is where you can go find I think it's the federal unclaimed money website. Go there, find your state, and check and see if you, your mom, your dad, your dog, your cat's cat, see if anyone in your family has unclaimed money. This is money that is already belonging to you that you guys have not, for whatever reason, gotten. Maybe you moved, maybe they sent to the wrong address and nobody cashed it out. Whatever the case may be, come here and see if you already have money that you didn't realize that you had, Class action lawsuits, come here, go to topclassactionlawsuits.com and see if you're a part of a class action lawsuit. Recently there was one for Facebook. There's one for Simply Juice, I think. Dole has one. Tyson has one. Just come over, go to the website, and see if you are a part of a class action lawsuit. Those are the two tabs that I want you to focus on in the extra cash. Community is just where you can find mental health resources. You can post if you have a GoFundMe or a need or something, you can post it in the community assistance tab. You can also find help in the mutual aid tab. I've got a Google Doc here, the ever-growing list of crowdfunding and mutual aid platforms. We are just going to check that out real quick. And I know this is a little bit weird. That's okay. There are places you can post your fundraiser link, places you can find free food, mutual aid servers, places you can find mutual aid in your area. If you don't do anything else and you need some assistance, go to the mutual aid hub. Okay? That is one of the best places to find mutual aid in your area. There was another one, but I'm not. Oh, findhelp.org. So two things on this list: findhelp.org and the mutual aid hub. Okay? Alright, going back. You can find resources for everyday life here and skills and education. So if you want to do more continuing education type things, you can come here and find that. Excuse me. This tab is just for building your emergency fund. You can find places to house your emergency fund, how to save money, build credit, and how to build your emergency fund outside of having a job. The other place that I want you guys to focus on is resumes. Resume resources. Check out pretty much all the pinned messages here. You can just come up to the thumbtack pin thing here and find what you're looking for. And I want you guys to, honestly, it's pretty easy to scroll up to the top. The the Harvard resume resources here. I used Live Career to create my resume. Honestly, you should probably start here after you finish reading the rules to get your resume together, because a good resume can help you stand out. And you, something that somebody told me once is to tailor your resume to whatever job you're applying for. And I know that's going to take a lot of work, but it'll help you stand out because your resume will be tailored to whatever job you're applying for. And last time I checked, Live Career was free for at least one resume. My current resume is my Live Career resume. I've been using it for years. I've gotten several jobs with it. There is an AI cover letter writer here. Just be mindful that, some places will check and see if you use AI to write your cover letter. Some won't. So, just use that at your own discretion. And with that being said, if I helped you guys in any way and you feel like, you want to give back, my GoFundMe and my Cash App are down here at the bottom in the tip jar and donations for me. Alright, so to reiterate, come in, you're going to go to Welcome Members, read the rules, you're going to introduce yourself and just chillin', have your goal in mind, what kind of job you're looking for, check whatever tab here is relevant to the job that you're looking for. Can't find a job there? That's fine. Go to Always Hiring. Go to the pinned message. You're going to go to the Google Doc. Check out those. If you can't find what you're looking for there, that's okay. We still have another option. Come down to Trusted Work at Home Resources. Scroll up. I'm going to scroll up. We're going to check out these job boards, websites, Reddit, subreddits, and then we should be able to find a job here. If we're still confused, we're going to come to Just Chillin', ask questions, connect with people, and go from there. If there is a need, we're going to come down here to the Community tab, Mutual Aid tab. Click on that, go to the Mutual Aid list of things. Definitely, for sure, come to the Class Action Lawsuits tab and check it out to see if you're a part of a class action lawsuit. Go to Unclaimed. Everybody should come to the Unclaimed Money tab. Click on the link. Check and see if you got that. It is free. If it's not free, you guys can make sure that you do a Google search for your Treasury, your state Treasury website to see if you can go through there and find it that way. But it's free to look it up, is what I'm saying. If it's not, there's something wrong. Alright, so with that being said, I think I touched on everything. I think I made it as straightforward as possible. I thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. And if you have questions, let me know. The Discord link will be in the description box where it always is. And yeah, if you have questions, post them in Discord, Just Chillin', or you can post them in the YouTube comments below. Bye for now.